Hello, I'm Trevor Lewis from the Voyager Middle School STEAM Lab, and this is another quick Scratch video. On this one, I'm just showing you where the tutorials are. So I'm on the online version of Scratch. I went to scratch.mit.edu and I pressed Create. This will also work for the desktop version of Scratch 3. So the first time you open it, sometimes there's a tutorial right here, but if you don't have that, or if you want to get the other tutorials, you can press the Tutorials button up here next to File and Edit, and you'll have a list of tutorials. If you're using the online version, this list actually will update as they add tutorials to this. It doesn't update a whole lot, but there's some new tutorials in here from last time I checked. The one that we're going to use is called Create a Story, and there's a video that you can play right here in the window, and then you can do your work around it. This video is an overview. You can see all of these little dots here. Those are all steps in the tutorial. So to get to the next step, I push next like this, and then it's going to animate and show me how to add a backdrop. Then I can go through and I can do the same steps and add myself a backdrop. And then I press next, and it'll animate and show me the next step. So you can go through each step like this, and then when you get to the last step, it will give you some other ideas of things that you can move on to from there, or you can go back to the full tutorials page. You can close this at any time, but if you close it, you will need to go back up to tutorials to find it again. And the other option you can do is you can shrink it down so it's small like this and expand it out as you work.